What's up, guys? We are excited to have a set of the new Gen 2 XB LED headlights for our FRS. We're going to be installing these today, showing you guys all the plug-and-play features of these. They've got bi-LED projectors, sequential turn signals, and a nice startup sequence that we can't wait to see and show you guys. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this installation, show you guys how easy it is, and show you guys the amazing results of these new Morimoto headlights. So step one, we're going to start by removing the plastic fasteners here on the bumper. We're going to have to take the bumper off to get these OE headlights out. All right, then you're going to pop your side markers out very gently. Disconnect those. All right, get that one out. All right, side marker out. Next, we're going to take off all the fasteners holding the lower side of the bumper, and we'll go up top, take the fasteners off that side, and then remove the bumper. Take this plate off, set it aside, and we should be ready to start pulling this bumper off. All right, before you pull the bumper off, make sure you disconnect your fog lights. We have aftermarket fog lights on ours.
You did, it's not all.
Yeah, just do that. All right, now with the bumper removed, you can see everything and access your OEM headlights, and also take a look at this intake, guys. All right, there are four 10mm bolts to remove here, securing the headlight brackets to the car. All right, so once all four of the bolts holding the headlight brackets are removed, you can then remove the headlight bracket itself, so the surround, set it aside, and now we're ready to start disconnecting the back of the headlight and removing it. All right, so now we're ready to disconnect the OEM headlight connectors from the back. And we got one fastener here. We got one more connector back here to disconnect. All right, OE headlights are out. All right, so these two wiring loops are important. Morimoto does designate these as each controlling the startup sequence and the turn signal. In this case, we want both of these loops present to enable the startup sequence and keep the turn signals as sequential. So we're not going to be messing with those. So since our FRS came from the factory with bumper mounted turn signals, Morimoto's instructions say to leave both of these white and yellow wires disconnected. All right, so now we're going to remove the 10 amp washer fuse from the fuse box to install the fuse tap in this now empty fuse bay. Install that. We are tapped. All right, so now we are going to just cut a little relief in the fuse box for this wire to pass through. Perfect. Got plenty of clearance there, and we're good. All right, so now we are ready to connect the harness to the fuse tap here. We're going to go ahead and snap that in. Nice quick fit connector here. There we go. Long end of the harness goes to the driver's side, short end of the harness goes to the passenger side. Should probably go way under. Like that, like way under. All right, we'll go ahead and take off the driver's side headlight as well so we can get this wiring all sorted. There we go. Disconnect. Right, we are. Okay, since our FRS has bumper mounted turn signals, Morimoto includes a turn signal harness, which we're now going to install right here. Maybe not, Dave. Yes. Click. Beautiful. Leave that bundled up for now and do it on the other side. Click. So before we install these headlights into the car, we are going to connect these. Before we install these headlights on the car, we're going to install this plug and play adapter harness to the back of the Morimoto headlight. Get that seated with that nice click. And this is going to connect to the factory headlight harness. So let's go ahead and get these fitted up here, and then we'll connect them after they're nice and snug. That hole, and then this guy, and this hole. Now we're good. Oh, we got to, yeah, there we go, there's the three. Wait, is it? Okay, that ain't going nowhere now. Send it. +4. That's there. So now, one of the last steps here is to start connecting the adapter harnesses to the OE. Got a nice solid click, love that. All right, DRL harness to the white wire on the headlight on either side. Surround. Beautiful. It's tight. Beautiful. Okay. 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 All right, so if your FRS has bumper mounted turn signals, you're going to use the yellow wire that you installed on the turn signal harness and connect that to the yellow wire on the back of the headlight. Okay. Are we ready to test these?
I don't know, are we?
I think so. I think we're wired up. I mean, plug and play, baby. There should be no fiddling. Let's try it out.
This is the moment of truth right here.
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Oh,
I got lights.
we got lights.
How about now?
We got six.
Or are we sequentialing?
We got sequentially.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's pretty sick.
High beams?
I mean,
That's awesome.
hell yeah, bro.
That is what I call true plug and play.
Indeed.
No fiddling with wires, no splicing, all plug and play, baby. Wait, but did these turn on?
Yes.
These turned on as well.
They
So,
did.
okay, awesome. So we just clean this up with some zip ties and get this bumper back on and we're good to go, fam. All right, let's do it. It's bumper time. TEQSPORT toe strap. Removal not required. Okay. Let's get it resting up here. And we'll get the fog lamps reconnected. Nice little arrow there, which is great. Easy. All right.
Indeed.
Swimwear. Nice. Okay. So now we can start reinstalling all these fasteners, get this car on the ground, get it wiped down, get you guys the final look. I mean, we could. I know you did. Yeah. Back in there, got a bunch left over, right? This big boy right there. Yep. Yep. Uno más. Okay. Did we do it?
Did we do it?
We did.
it.
I think we did it. All right, y'all. We have just wrapped the install of these new Morimoto Gen 2 XB LED headlights on our FRS. We're going to turn the lights down, get you guys a nice little show of what these look like in the dark. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and shop for your own set of Morimoto headlights for your 86 or BRZ at TEQSPORT.com.